in this video I'll be sharing you recycling of waste products and giving it a look to it. So I have taken water bottles which were wasted. So I've just cut it into like this. The upper part I've taken it off, and like this I've taken two. Actually I was using it from past almost 1 year, and then the plants are there. So I'll give a makeover to it. So for the makeover, all I need is acrylic colors from the Acrylic brand. I have 6 shades, guys. It cost of almost 80 rupees. If you don't want to invest so much, you can buy single 2 colors also, which will be costing you around 20 or 15 rupees max to max. So guys, ensure that you take acrylic colors so that it stays on for a long time.
Waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Friends, hope you have liked this video, because using just a simple wasted bottles I have done these things. So hope you have liked it. So please do like my video and subscribe my channel for something more beautiful like this. And you can see it's looking so pretty. So guys, always stay smiling, stay happy. Bye. See you in the